everyone, it's Arlene from Arlene's Creations, and today I'm going to show you how I did the Rustic Farmhouse themed baby shower favors for my niece's baby shower. So here I have some burlap tags that I had bought from Michael's, and I bought the stamps, little baby feet and the thank you. So all I did with my black chalk paint from Waverly is I just stamped thank you and the little feet on the little tags. Now from Wholesale Supplies Plus, I have pink grapefruit fragrance oil. Smells so delicious, and that's what I'm going to use for the actual cream that's going to go inside the jars. So here I have my cream made. I do have a soaping Etsy page, so I make my own hand cream. I don't have that recipe in here. It's very complicated. But so I made my cream, and now I'm going to be adding my fragrance, which again is the pink grapefruit. So bright and delicious smelling, and oh, just absolutely loved it. So what I'm doing is I'm adding my fragrance oil to my hand cream. And you have to do, there's a certain amount that you can put in, by regulations and standards. So I have everything weighed out. And so I'm just incorporating that into the cream very well, mixing it. I did mix it with a blender at first, and then I felt it needed a little bit more, so I added a little bit more and continued to stir till all the fragrance is incorporated. Now I have a huge piping bag. These piping bags are so huge, and I have it inside one of my candle making pitchers, just so it'll hold it while I fill up the bag with the hand cream. So there I have the hand cream all filled in the big piping bag. And that was a lot of hand cream. I think I had to do this maybe two or three times to get the right amount. So now I have it tied off. One of those ties is just from Wilton. So there I have some of my jars made up, and I have my hand cream. As you can see, there's a ton. So I just snipped off a little point from the bag so I could start piping it into my little jars. So here I am just piping it into my little jars. They were so cute. What a huge hit these were. The women absolutely loved them. So that's what it looks like. You want to make it nice, nice little point at the top so it looks nice and professional. You don't want it all sloppy on the edges. And then that's what it looks like when it's closed. Like I said, they were such a huge hit. Everybody loved them. And I do have a separate video I will be posting for the men's favors because it was a Jack and Jill. So these are actually the jars that I got from Michael's. They actually sell them now with the burlap already on the lids tied. But when I went, they didn't have it. So that's 18 pieces. I think we did over like 50 favors. I forget. And these burlap ribbon pieces is just from the Dollar Tree. So now I measured around the jar. And then, the circumference. And then I just cut the ribbon. So whatever jars you're going to be using, just measure around with a little bit of an overlap so that when you put the ribbon on, it fully covers the whole entire jar. So I'm just putting some hot glue down in a strip on the back end. And I'm going to place my burlap ribbon where I want it. I'm just going to wrap it around, and I'm putting it underneath the opening tab, that opening metal thing. So I'm just putting it around, and underneath that, putting more hot glue at the seam, and then folding it over. And be careful, the hot glue is very hot. So now that that's nice and secure, and you want to do these all ahead of time before you fill up your, before you fill up your jars. So you don't want to be doing this and twisting the jar around while the cream is in it, because then it's going to get all on top of the lid. When you open it, it's going to be all over the place, and you don't want that. So again, I'm just putting some hot glue, and I'm continuing to put on all of the burlap ribbons. And I actually got and it's the burlap ribbons from the Dollar Tree, and I actually got a lot of jars out of one roll. So that was a perfect find and a perfect fit for these beautiful little favors. So now these tabs actually came with the jars, and I said I might as well use them because they fit so nicely, you know, perfect, because they come with it. So I just put the thank you, each one right on top of the lid where it belongs. If you didn't want it on the top, I guess you could put it on the bottom, but I just thought it looked cute. And then what I'm going to do is those burlap tags that I made that said thank you with the two little babies' feet, the footprints, I'm actually going to just take twine and put it through the hole and then tie that onto the back where the lid secures. So as you can see, I'm cutting the twine. So now I'm just taking my twine and I'm putting it through the grommet hole that they have there. And you can stamp these with any type of stamp that you want. If you're doing favors for a graduation party, for a birthday party, you know, just buy your stamps accordingly and just stamp it with, and I didn't even buy special ink. I just had my black chalk paint that I do a lot of projects with, and that's what I use. So as you can see, I just tied it to the back end, not the front where you open it, so that's actually where it's hinged together. And look how super cute that came out. So again, a piece of twine. And like I said, these were a huge hit. Everybody loved them. And just such a cute little addition for your rustic farmhouse themed party. Give out a little favor to everybody that comes. And like I said, I did make favors for the men, which was super cute, super simple, nothing, no rocket science there. So I'll be posting that video, so stay tuned for that one. If you're interested in any of my soaps or creams, please go to my Etsy page, lathersandlace.etsy.com. I'll post the link below. I do sell my creams on my Etsy page, and soaps and scrubs and candles. But yeah, this is how they came out. I thought they came out super cute. Thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button so you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you know when other videos are coming up. And thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. This is just how they looked on the table with everything else. Super cute. And everybody loved them. All right now, take care. Bye-bye.